Hello everyone, welcome back again. I am at Lowe's, guys. Before the sun come out, I just came to see if I can do my homework. That's what I've been doing, guys. Yesterday I started. They got this package of begonia, $13.98. It's like a pack. It's a good deal, $13.98. So far, I think next year I'm going to have some begonia, and they got like different color on them. But right now I'm going to pass because, like I said, where I am now, I am temporarily in my place now. But I think by next year, guys, I'm going to have some of those beautiful begonia right here. And if you turn out to that section right here, look at this. They already are make some arrangement. Look at this, $12.98, and of course they got this part right there and the inside of that one. If you don't have time, that means they show you what to do. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. Oh my God, look at this. This is what? This is a coleus? Oh wow, $6.98. This is different, and I love the color. Very beautiful. And of course, regular colors right here, $6.98 proven winter. And look at this. I used to have a lot, guys, of those, but you know what? $9.98. I covering up my some of basically most of it with some mulch, and then they not coming back because I put a thick mulch on them. That's the reason they're not coming back. But I can't wait for me to add more in my future garden, friends. I can't wait. And of course, they got some hydrangeas. More of those hydrangeas right here. Look at this. Look at this foliage. I like this. Beautiful. And they got those hydrangeas right here. They're still here. Oh my God. I got a lot of those hydrangeas. Oh, a lot. A lot of those hydrangeas. I don't think I can even, I want to get more. If they give it to me on sale, I can get the 21, 50% off. That would be $10. That would be $40. I can come back for that. Beautiful. But I don't want to spend money on hydrangeas anymore. I'm looking for other stuff. I have so much hydrangeas. And look at this deal, $10.98 for this. And this one, guys, is true. It's coming back year after year. When you have that small one, you're always gonna have it. She's not going nowhere. Oh, they have another kind. Look at this. Oh my God, they got new stuff. There's another one. I never see this one. Small little flowers, small little foliage right here. $10.98. And they got more palm right here, and some of those flowers right there for $29.98. And I make a cutting from this one last year. The cold killed it. And I know where I get the cutting. I'm going back again to get more of that flowers because I don't want to pay all that money for that one. Thank you, friends, for watching.